Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. We're going to take a look now at the scans for this coming Monday, January 28th, and what they might have to imply. Right now in the Nasdaq leaders, we're fairly well paired off here without a dominance either way. Definitely seeing some follow through with some of the earnings related issues. Still good volume tracking in Apple, even though it's to the downside here by a pretty good amount. And some of the other leaders as well, getting really good volume out of Clack and Juniper, and also another day of good volume in Altera. Moving on to the financials. The financials are actually the patch that has pretty good bias to the buy side. Definitely have a bias to the buy side here in the financials for Monday. The only flying the ointment is it's all on relatively light volume. The energy stocks are fairly mixed. Not really seeing a bias either way here. No real volume jumping out. Probably gonna need another day here just to consolidate those. The generals, again, fairly well paired off here. Not seeing too much. VMware's got a little bit of a volume bump here, up to about 132% of a run rate here, as of about 3:30 in the afternoon. Here's a look at the housing and the transports. The housing stocks definitely have a little bit of a bias to the buy side. There's no sells. We've got 3 buys. Definitely seeing some decent volume in the quasi housing stock, Lowe's retailer. And then onto the commodities. Commodities not showing us too much either way. Definitely seeing a little bit of a bump here in some of the volumes, but they've been a little bit mixed today, with definitely some better distribution days. We've got a pretty good down day going in Mosaic. I'm sorry, an update going in Mosaic, and we do have a CPS signal to the upside here on nice volume. Also seeing same condition in the potash POT, which is kind of a close cousin. So those would be 2 things I'll be keeping an eye on for Monday. So until we see you again, thanks for listening, and this has been Rich Derrick from tradesight.